Friends, we are in Gulfood Dubai, and we saw this Sri Lankan Export Development Board. They have stock for their exporters. So one of the exporters we came across, CIC Rice Company. So their people are here. We will understand from them what they are selling here and how's the market. So welcome to Import Export Federation. Please tell me your name and what you are doing.
I'm Dasun Namagaru and I'm the one in charge of all export, rice export at CIC. We have been exporting to mainly Australia, US and Canada. We also have Singapore and UAE.
So who are your actual customers who are consuming this rice?
Actually, these are healthy rice varieties, low GI, especially people who like to have a healthy living and who are diabetic, especially these are sugar controlling. So they are our main customers.
Okay, healthy means how do you define this? These are healthier than other rice. What does that mean?
Normal, when you consume a regular rice, it will spike your blood sugar. These are low GI rice varieties.
Okay.
So when you consume these, it will control the energy release, sugar release.
GI means, are you talking about gluten or one kind of thing? Or what is
glycemic
GI?
index.
Okay, glycemic.
It's a measurement that's how when you eat carbohydrate food, how it will influence your blood sugar.
Okay. So GI is that measurement. Low GI, 48. 48 is the count?
Below 55, it's considered low GI.
Low GI.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are all, many of them are low GI. So what are these price? I mean, let's say this rice, what is its price? In dollars, yeah?
Yeah, it goes around 1.2 to 1.5 US dollars depending on the requirements actually.
Okay.
Your fumigation requirement and your packing requirement will vary.
Okay, but $1.2 is a FOB price or?
Yes, FOB price is roughly bulk pricing, 1.2 US dollars.
Okay. Well, how is the demand for this product in the market now?
This is actually the improved version from this variety. And this has a fragrance. So actually there's a high demand from our US buyer and our Australian customer. This is a demand.
So you are selling in what kind of packaging? Retail packaging or bulk?
For Australia and US, we're sending in our Golden Crop branded packaging, 1 kg and 5 kg.
Okay, fine, great. So you must be knowing that India is another big producer of rice and big exporter of rice.
Yes.
Do you see this kind of rice available in India?
Low GI, I think they have a couple of varieties.
Okay.
Not like this one, but I think they have like brown short grain variety.
Well, so that's what is the thing I would say. Indian people who are watching this will have to see that this kind of R&D is happening. People are taking good effort, good products are in the market, and the demand for healthy products will grow in the market. The future is for healthy products. You know, people are getting diabetic, people are having blood pressures, obesity are the issues, and people are looking for good food, healthy food. So I think all farmers, their associations, and exporters will have to work on this kind of product more. What do you see the future of this product? I mean, how do you see the demand?
Actually, diabetic population are keep growing. We think in future this will demand for these sort of low GI rice, healthy rice varieties will grow. These are all naturally grown rice and naturally fortified rice. So this demand will be grown. Surely will happen.
Right. So you are also working on increasing the production also in Sri Lanka?
Yeah, we are planning to increase our cultivation plans and demand based on demand. This year we get like compared to last year, it's growing actually.
Okay. So you have sufficient rice available as per your demand in Sri Lanka?
In Sri Lanka, yes. I think these are normally bit pricey actually compared to our markets. So normally they go for like shorter grain and regular rice.
Cheaper price. Cheaper rice.
These are for different guys. Kind of crowd.
Okay. Can you just tell me the rate of each one?
So these These health varieties goes around like 1.2 to 1.5 US dollars. Right?
Okay. Well,
Depending
the
on-
red one is little costlier. No, these varieties are
These
colored
varieties.
one. These are costlier.
Costly. Yeah, this is a bit of expensive because we monitor our cultivation
Right.
process.
So these
and
are more
everything.
expensive than other white one.
Other one. Right.
And what about this?
These goes around like about $1, $1 to $2, $1.2.
Okay,
Around there.
1 to these varieties you can see these are one to $1.2 per kg, and these are 1.2 to $1.5 per kg, depending on the packaging and other fumigation and other requirements. I think this is good option for a healthy food in the market. Thank you very much for your information. Thank you.
Rice production in India. India's rice production for crop year is 119.93 million tons MT for the Kharif season alone. Total production including Kharif and Rabi seasons is estimated at 149.074 million tons. There are more than 6,000 rice varieties grown in India.
Global rice production. Global rice production is 535.8 million tons in the fiscal year 2024. The total value of the global rice market is around $302.4 billion.
Top rice producing countries in the world. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, China and India are the biggest rice production countries in the world. Other major rice producing countries include Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Thailand. Other notable rice producers include Myanmar, Philippines, and countries in Africa, such as Nigeria. China and India are the world's top two rice producers, with China leading in overall production and India as the largest exporter. In the 2024 to 2025 period, India have exported around 22 million metric tons of rice. This makes India the world's largest rice exporter. In the fiscal year 2024 to 2025, India's rice exports reached a value of $12.47 billion.